Mr. Thief, what are you doing? You've turned this beautiful parrot into a thief. Why?
Hey, kid, who are you? Go back now.
I'm not here to go back. I'm here to get you and the jewelry that you've stolen.
You're asking for a lot more food than your appetite.
Where's the food? Where's the food? I'm so hungry right now.
This is a saying, Mr. Thief. You must have heard it for sure. Gather thistles and expect pickles. Come on, return the jewelry now, else you're going to the jail.
You will send me to the jail, huh?
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 My dear fellow comrade, make sure you keep biting this boy and the donkey until you chase them out of here.
Yeah. They bit my nose. Hey, Vir, help me. Chintu.
Grandpa, they bit my ear. Ouch, my nose.
Now they will take you in the sky and drop you down from there.
My friends, why are you fighting with me? That man has taught you to steal, and stealing is a very bad habit.
This boy is absolutely right. That man has made us thieves.
Parrots are not thieves. They're beautiful birds. Everybody's so fond of them. Parrots will be referred to as thieves because of that man.
We won't tarnish the name of our fellow parrots, never ever.
If you want to punish, then punish him, not me.
This boy is absolutely right. That man has made us thieves. Come
What are you doing? Oh, leave me! Help me!
Did you see Chulbul? Gather thistles and expect pickles.